Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, dear participants, I hope my fellow citizens will forgive me if I address you in English so we can avoid a loss of information and your precious time. So please let me first pass you best regards from the National Council of the Republic of Slovenia, the second chamber of Slovenian Parliament, which is strongly and firmly supporting the process of integration of the Republic of Slovenia into the project Society 5.0. We are mainly speaking about the industrial and technological revolutions, and revolutions, as we know, often bring some collateral damage and not only the benefits. But as I and my fellow colleagues in the National Council understand this process, Society 5.0, it means no revolution, it means the smart evolution from the technical development into the real life of our citizens. And this is how we understand the process and why we are supporting it. I believe that many questions should be still answered. I believe that there is always a danger that this process can put us in some isolated point between the other nations and the other regions in the world. But knowing the Slovenian and Japanese attitude towards the other nations and towards the global policies, I have a strong belief that we are acting in the benefit of the whole humankind. Republic of Slovenia is very small and our nation is not a numerous nation. We do not have the big economic or demographic power, but we live in special conditions, so-called. We live in the crossroads of the great nations. We live in the special part of the world where the East meets West and North meets South. And this is a great opportunity for us to be entering point for novelties for all others surrounding us. And also, our culture is culture of open doors and culture of respect for the other nations. And I believe that Slovenian part of job in the Society 5.0 will be fulfilled, and the project will have serious and touching results in very short time. For that reason, I'm very glad that both governments attended the process seriously, and today we are moving from the good intentions to the practical steps to fulfill the goal. Dear participants, I wish you a very good and successful job, a good cooperation, and I wish all of us that this process comes to the really good end and people of the world will have some benefit from it. Thank you very much for your attention.